The village who sabotaged the Biafran resistance fighters in Enugu state now under Fulani attack. However, I have summoned emergency security meeting, but these villagers must make their choice this time. I avoided commenting on the report, but I have bombarded with messages. The villagers have seen the price of sabotaging Biafran forces. The criminal commissioner who deceived them with IPOB Nigerian earlier last year is nowhere to be found. Now everyone is calling on Simon Ekpa and Biafran government. I am once again promised that we will deploy Biafran forces to the affected villages after security meeting today. This is a post made by Biafran Prime Minister Mazi just yesterday regarding the insecurity in Enugu State in a community whereby people have sabotaged the presence of IPOB Eastern Security Network before, but now we have Biafran resistance fighters who are ready to do the needful. So I just want you to go through this message because it is very, very important. Yes, before I go further with the message I have today, yes, this is one of them actually, but I would like you to understand that this platform needs your support. Yes, we need your support by clicking the like button on our videos, comment, share the video if you can, share it as many as you can. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It is very, very necessary. We want to grow this platform by any means necessary, especially if you're a new subscriber. If you're new, if this is the first time you are seeing the video or that our platform, please do the needful. We also have a Facebook account. We have Facebook page, so follow us on Facebook. It's because some people like to watch videos on Facebook instead of YouTube. Some like YouTube more than Facebook. So the choice is yours. We have the platform. These two platforms is what we have at the moment. Yes, I would like to understand that this post made by PM is to create awareness at the same time to pass promising messages to Biafrans who have been under attack, like he said in this post. Tell me what you think about IPOB DOS who collaborated in sabotaging the presence of ESM before, because it is very, very necessary that we call it the way it is. Enugu State is one of the most peaceful states in Biafran land at the moment. So let's not allow anybody to take over our land. We also have another report from Sahara reporters as well regarding Nnamdi Kanu. Nigeria will be thrown into brutal war if Nnamdi Kanu by in detention. IPOB reply Femi Adesina. Yes, it is not everything that DOS Nigerian says that we debunk, because once you hear IPOB saying this and that, it is all coming from DOS members who still think their comment matters at moment. The truth is that when it comes to making posts, commenting, saying something that is not factual, it must always come from them. But when it comes to action, to put your words, put your action to where you put your words, you won't see them. It is all come from the different government in exile. So when you hear this kind of, I will do this, I will show this, I will do this, knowing fully well that you have nothing to offer, it's not something that anybody will take serious. But of course, Sahara reporters, because they are not in agreement with the different government in exile, because they don't want to lose their license in Nigeria as well. So they will not report much things from Simon Ekpa on different government in exile. They will focus on those who are politically correct and those who think they have upper hand on Mazi kind of case and condition. So I will not say much about this, but whatever they said here, as long as this what I just read out is what they said, of course I am in support of that, because Nnamdi Kanu needs to be released. We are calling for his release. Of course, the Nigerian government know that the best thing to do is to release him to avoid more problem and more agitation, to fuel the condition at the moment, because it doesn't help anybody, neither Nigerian or even the Biafrans. So his life is very, very important. Please, if you have anything to say about this, the activities of DOS all this while, because most of us are in agreement, some might disagree about the activities, Let me know in the comment section what you think about the activities of the US. What they said here to me is not something that we need to debunk, because as long as it's for good, of course we support. We are not going to bash them out because it's from them. No, this one they said is okay. We also have another news from Sarah reporters regarding the condition of Mr. Ibu. So we know what happened to him last year. I think that was during Mba month. It was reported that he needs to do operation on his leg, and I don't know the outcome of his health at the moment, so I will not tell you what I'm not sure of. But the news says that Nigerian police arrest Nollywood actor Mr. Ibu's son, foster daughter, Mr. Ibu's son, foster daughter, for defrauding him of 55 million donations. So it's very, very sad that after people must have donated to assist Mr. Ibu on his health condition, and someone is somewhere trying to dupe him out of the money. And it's unfortunate that he's a family member, because what they said here is foster daughter. I think maybe, I don't know if he's in collaboration with his son or something like that, because the news said that Mr. Ibu's son, foster daughter, for defrauding him. So he lost the money that people donated for him, because at the moment I don't know if he's able to be on set to shoot any movie. I don't know his health condition at the moment, but all I know, it was reported last year that his health is not something pleasant. So if you know more about this, please, I would like you to put it on comment section so that we will know what is going on in his life. Okay, in another news, breaking. The Nigerian Nnamdi burning the businesses of innocent Biafrans today. This happened after they lost monumentally in the last night's battle. Many of them were sent to judgment, and we never pick their arms against Biafran again. What the Nigerian and the Sina and the is to burning innocent businesses who has nothing to do with them. I call on the victims to remain strong. They can never win Aya. They can never win Oga. My promise to Biafrans is that those who participated in burning will be neutralized in coming days. Every uniform wearing Ndaya, Ndi Shishina, and Ndogbumada in Biafran land, in Biafran territory, we pay the price in coming days. This is what PM posted on his X handle in regard to what happened in H0t, because most of us have seen the video, so we know what happened there. They went to markets, village markets, where people are doing their businesses, to set it ablaze. They burned many shops and destroyed everything. This happened yesterday, 26th of January 2024. So I am bringing to you the response from PM in regard of that burning of market that happened in Imo State. Today, timber market also is ablaze. I think they went there as well to burn it down. This thing that is happening is getting too much, and the worst part of it is people who are supposed to say something about it, they are not saying anything. The only person responding to what is happening to Igbo people nationwide is the Biafran government in exile. That is just the truth. If you doubt it, please let me see wherever or whoever that made any comment just in condemnation to what is going on Igbo's businesses and their shops. In the one that is happening in Lagos State is unbearable. If you see the videos of what Igbos are going through in Lagos State today, you understand that none of these people really regard any Igbo person as to be part of the country which they say that we must be. The Nigerian they gave to us is not something that we should be proud of, and it is very, very obvious. Most of all who were doubting about this problem and the belief and the faith of Nigerianists, those one in government, especially the Yorubas and the Fulanis, if some of us that were doubting that they are not having this agenda against Igbos, are coming to realization, to understand that the truth is that there's something going on, there's agenda against Igbo people. Breaking, the last push for our incoming president of Finland, Alex Tubo. I think, is this Tubo or Stobo? I don't know how to pronounce his name, but I know it's Alex. I am dedicating today, tomorrow for him. We must push him to victory on Sunday. Simon Ekpa and Alex today, 26th of January 2024. This is what PM posted today, 1 hour ago. As well as we are recording this video, this post was made 1 hour ago. So what PM is saying here is very, very interesting, because this is the person. 3 days ago he posted a video of this the incoming president of Finnish government, and he's in support. I don't know if they're in the same party, but this is to tell you that when you hear that he's a politician in Finland, you are not going to question that anymore, because I've proved beyond every reasonable doubt that he is indeed part of the government of Finland. And you can see other black people in the midst where you find PM, because all of them knows him, and he's part and parcel of the system. It is very, very interesting. Look at it again. This is another video here, another post here, where he also made in 20 minutes ago. We have just arrived at another location with Alex as the last phase of our campaign. Those of you that have voting right in Finland, don't sit back on Sunday. Go out and vote, Alex. See, this is what he's trying to, call upon their friends who live in Finland, who are eligible to vote, to go out and support support this incoming president. I think he has something about this Alex, this man. He has something about him we don't know, but as long as he coming from him, it is very, very encouraging. Anybody who lives in Finland who have the voting rights should do the needful. Support Alex. Support him. I don't know him, but as long as he's coming from PM, we need to support. So those of Biafrans who live in Finland, please do the needful. Support him and go out and vote. It's very, very necessary. Biafran Liberation Army commander have this to say: no matter how you people plan it, we have come to destroy everything, all of them. Though they have won the battle by selling MNK. Today we are waxing stronger than ever. Today all their zoo armies in Obinze can testify the firearm of BLA. We are gradually making progress. He made this post. We attached it with picture of Ikenga and Ifai what's it called? Ifai Oba. Yes, Ifai Oba, the Senator Ifai, who Ikenga is looking up to. He made this video, this post, attached it with them, as you can see here. So this is I have made a video regarding the activities of this guy Ikenga Uruagu. So I don't want to go more deeper on that, but this is what PM have to say today, 26th of January 2024. He has future and political ambition in his country, Nigeria. For the past 3 years, this idiot was on social media calling me all manner of names, including Nigerian agent in Finland, Ohanese leader, Ekweremado secretary. Ifai Yoba hired me to destroy IPOB. They started immediately, they kidnapped MNK. They started writing petitions to Finland police, FBI, SIA, and Finnish government. Everything they did to blackmail me failed. Many of them who were genuine are still thinking what to do with their lives with latest development. As you all know, I never wanted to post this smelling illiterate until now. Now let's look at the picture here, the video, sorry, that he have attached with this post. It is very, very interesting for you to hear what Ikenga Uruagu said about his future life. PM said here that he has future and political ambition in Nigeria. It's not just a post, it's a video. Ikenga said it only with his mouth. Now listen.
Any day what we do turn to violence, I'll stop. I don't want to get involved in things like I have future. I want to become somebody in our country one day. I have future. In fact, I have political ambition. That's just the fact. I don't want anything that will spoil my future. I don't want to say things, even the ones we have said.
I have a political ambition in our country one day, and this is somebody who is top rank, according to them, I don't know, he's top rank officer or member or whatever in the US IPOB, which they have turned to IPOB government today. So tell me what you think about this video and all these posts that trending today. What I've just showed you in this video. Tell me what you think about them all on comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, and share. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.